Do you want a DIY candle that looks expensive and keeps the bugs away? So I discovered this recipe because I wanted to create a candle that not only smelled amazing, but also keeps mosquitoes away. Naturally, of course. We're using fractionated coconut oil, citronella essential oil, and this spool floating wick setup to make a candle that's perfect for those outdoor evenings. Let's make this Patio Breeze Citronella Candle together. Trust me, it's a total game changer. Here are my floating wicks. I am going to prepare my wicks. So I'm just gonna push my wick foil side with about 1/3 on top. So we kind of want them to look like this. I've got my wicks ready for my candle. So I'm going to add this 1/4 cup of fractionated coconut oil to my bowl. This burns cleanly, and that is exactly what we are looking for. And now I'm adding 30 drops of citronella. This also works as a natural bug repellent, which is what we want for those warm summer nights. So I'm gonna mix this up very well to get the scent incorporated evenly throughout the oil. Now it's time for the fun part. We are going to decorate our Patio Breeze candle. We've got water beads. We're gonna add pieces of dried fruit to make our candles look pretty and expensive. So now it's time to decorate our jar. We're gonna add pieces of dried fruit. I have kiwi and I have star fruit here. So I'm gonna kind of incorporate these with some water beads.
Oh, these look so pretty.
That feels good. I mean it looks good too. It's gonna look so expensive, and it's all DIY. And it's all made by you. So now I'm going to add my water and just wait to see how the beautiful fruit is revealed. Oh,
That's so cool.
so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Nate, what do you think of my
What?
candle?
That's a candle?
That's a candle.
How does it burn?
We're adding our oil, and this is going to make our candles burn. We're adding our wicks.
But it's clear. What kind of oil is that?
It's actually fractionated coconut oil.
Ta-da.
This looks so luxurious and expensive, but it's all DIY. I can literally see myself using this for every outdoor get-together. Seriously, it's like the candle does double duty. It smells great and it keeps the bugs away. Now it's your turn. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box today and get everything you need to make this Patio Breeze Citronella Candle. Plus, so many more amazing projects. Don't forget to share your creations with #IMadeThis for a chance to win a $100 Simply Earth gift card. I can't wait to see what you create.